All wildlife guidelines were followed while filming this video. We are Trudy and Tony. We love to hike, bike, and CrossFit. Today we are going to take you to Everglades National Park. The Everglades National Park is a World Heritage Site and an important habitat for endangered species like the manatee, crocodile, and panther. The park is 1.5 million acres and located in South Florida. After getting our stamp at the Ernest Cove Visitor Center, we drove a short distance to hike the Anhinga Trail. We did see an alligator and a couple of turtles. We spent the night at the Candlewood Suites in the Everglades area. We are on our way to bike at the Shark Valley Trail in the Everglades National Park. It's a beautiful morning. We arrived for our bike ride, and just an FYI, the gate does not open until 8:30. So we're gonna go park on the street and start our bike ride. About 7 miles in, at the turning point, there's an observation tower, and there's also restrooms. We're gonna lock our bike and take a walk up the tower. enjoyed our visit to the Everglades National Park.